Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, February 9, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, February 9, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng February 9, 2025 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, February 9, 2025. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Super Lotto 649 for February 9, 2025, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Sunday, February 9, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.